Hey, today I'm going to show you how to replace the tail light or the indicator light on a '99 Jeep Grand Cherokee. It's this turn signal that burned. The reason I know it burned out is the indicator on the inside of the car blinks twice as fast. The bulb for a '99 Jeep Grand Cherokee is a 3157. Okay, it's simple to get the lens cap off. Open up the trailer. The hatchback, that is. Screwdriver, 2 screws, one here and one here. Okay, just take these Phillips screws off, undo, counterclockwise. That's one. The other one. That's two. It's been a couple years since I've replaced one of these. They last a while. And just carefully work the lens cap off. Don't want to force anything, it's plastic. Okay. You've got your power. Let's see if that shows up. Okay, you've got 3 light bulbs in the back tail light section of the Jeep Grand Cherokee. One here, one here, one here, and then the power cord. The turn indicator is the central light bulb. You can see how these are all lined up and down. That means they're fully tightened. Turn this counterclockwise, about 45 degrees, and pull straight out. There's your light bulb. I've already pulled the old one out. You just pull it straight out, and you take the new one, push it straight in, and then to reinstall it, just push down, find the groove, make sure these 3 things line up, and then reinstall. There's a metal pin here that is going to be inserted into this point right there. So that's your guide. Put that back in. And we're ready. And we're ready to screw it back in place. First I'm going to put the keys in before I screw it back in place, check the blinker, make sure we got it working. So let me go do that. Okay, back to normal. So it takes about 5 minutes. And we're good for probably a couple more years. Tighten it back up. Screw it back in place. Make sure it's in there properly. There you go, line her up. There's one, and then the bottom. Don't over tighten it. Okay, good to go. Just throw out the old bulb, keep the spare in your glove compartment.